Hi, my name is Dr. Loida Gonzalez-Eckley, and I serve as the Conference Director of the Assembly. We have just completed day one, and it has been so exciting to watch the pods, the project-based learning groups just come to life. People giving us so much feedback. The presentations have been so deep. We have talked about dual credit, international admissions, credit for prior learning, and we are so excited to continue in the next few days. Hi everyone, my name is Paige Selman Boucher, and as a community volunteer manager here at AACRAO, it has been so great seeing everyone from the project-based learning pods come together, collaborate, and really start coming up with solutions to put back to our institution. Can't wait for the next few days.
Day two of the assembly, and I think that the coolest part of today was the student voices and the panel that we did in the podcast mashup with Transfer Nation. We had so much insightful information. The students were advocating for themselves, sharing their transfer experience through their eyes, what we could do better, what their favorite parts were, and it was just such a wholesome conversation. You can find the link live on YouTube, and we'll see you there.
Hi, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and I'm from Laredo College. And my experience from today, we've learned a lot that we need to move more into AI technology. We're still behind doing everything still manually.
Hi, my name is Cassandra Olivares. I'm also from Laredo College, from the registrar's office, and I work with the articulations. So this is all new at first for us, just trying to know that how fast and advanced everyone's is, and we need to really get on the ball.
Yes.
And I enjoy this. It's awesome.
It's been fun.
It is day 3 at the assembly, the last day. We're so sad. But come with me as we wrap up this inaugural conference. Credit is going to become increasingly important because we talk about domestic credit mobility, but at some point we need to talk about global credit portability. Just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here again. Hi, Loida, nice to meet you. I'm so excited. Loida, nice to meet you. My name is Loida. Behind the scenes stuff for pods, this girl right here.
And Kelly,
And Kelly. I just wanted to say thank you for all this stuff. People really enjoyed pods. Everybody enjoyed pods. Vendors enjoyed listening to people talk about pods. Becky! Hey, I just wanted to say thank you for all the behind the scenes work. Couldn't have done it without you.
well, I mean, right
No,
now,
like, this is
no,
great.
really, no, you're so
Wonderful.
pretty.
You're so Thanks for being here and for your support and for all the governmental relation knowledge that you have. Tell Scott thank you.
I will. I'll pass it on.
Bye. Yeah, thanks for everything. We need this color again next year. These are the people that participated in the pods this year. We are so excited. This is new to the assembly. All these people did a ton of work. All right, that's a wrap. See you next year.